Doctor Apatita and Naza the little lamb. In Doctor Apatita's farm, Naza lived there too. She was a little lamb who was elegant, tidy, and very responsible. She never forgot to brush her teeth, and she was so diligent that she visited the dentist often. Every time she arrived at the office, the doctor smiled when she saw her. "Hi, Naza. I'm so happy to see you. Ready for your checkup?" "Always, doctor," the little lamb answered proudly. One day, while the doctor was getting her tools ready, Naza said, "Doctor, today I want to show you how I brush my teeth all by myself." Apatita opened her eyes, delighted. "Of course, Naza, show me." Naza grabbed a toothbrush and began her explanation, very serious. "First, we start on the top, on the outside of the teeth, the part that touches the lips. Like tractor wheels, we move across all the teeth, from one side all the way to the other." She made gentle, circular motions. "Then," she continued, "we brush the inside, the side that faces the tongue. I start with the back teeth on one side and go all the way to the other, without forgetting a single one." The doctor listened with a big smile. "Next, I hold the toothbrush straight up and down, from canine to canine, and I clean this area really well, because food always gets stuck there." Naza kept going enthusiastically. "And we must not forget the chewing surfaces of the back teeth. There we make short little movements to remove all the leftovers." The little lamb paused and added, "And now, the bottom teeth. We do everything again, outside, inside, canines, and the back teeth. That way they shine." Dr. Apatita looked at her with admiration. "Naza, you are an example for the whole farm. Congratulations! You brush your teeth like a true expert. I am very proud of you." Naza puffed out her chest, very happy. "Thank you, doctor. When I grow up, I want to be a dentist too." The doctor gave her a hug. "And you'll do an amazing job." Soon, many animals on the farm began asking Naza to teach them how to brush their teeth. And she gladly became the official brushing teacher, sharing her perfect technique with everyone. If you like Dr. Apatita's stories, subscribe and give it a thumbs up.